This is your reading for the upcoming week. Stay tuned and enjoy. So as we always do, I use the Gipsy cards to let us know about the general theme of the upcoming week. So here we go. Let's see what we're gonna be dealing with. And this is an interesting card. I don't think we've had this before. It's Officer. Cotonatist. Offizier. Officier. Ufficiale. Ufficale. So, as we always do, or as I always do, I probably butchered most of the pronunciations. But anyway, what we have here is a man in a uniform. And this can stir up certain feelings, certain immediate reactions within us, depending on what our associations are with authority and with uniforms in general. And there's also a connection to control in a broader sense, in a broader spiritual sense, because officers of all kinds have a duty to the leaders of the hierarchy. They are only there to follow instructions and to execute. So they're not there to think for themselves. They are a cog in a machine that is aimed at controlling and shaping the reality that we live in, sometimes in aggressive ways, which is certainly necessary. But it's at the same time, it's a very narrow and strictly regulated system. So we have the agent of this world, the officer, showing up. Let's see how the cards reflect on this. So what spectrum or what domain of interpretations seems to be relevant at this time? And also another idea that I just had is that the officer, I guess, could be linked with the tarot's emperor, which is the archetypal masculine drive towards order and the effort to make rational sense of the world. Okay, so we have the Two of Pentacles and the juxtaposition between the very strict and disciplined world of the officer and this this very different character who is by no means a silly and reckless one. The Two of Pentacles does not point to a lack of order. Instead, it displays a different approach to maintaining order and beating chaos. So there's this juggling, this effort to keep the balls in the air, or the pentacles, in an infinite dance. We have the sign of infinity here. And so the Two of Pentacles represents a flow state where order is created almost spontaneously, a case by case, moment by moment type pattern helps you maintain your balance instead of following a stationary, factitious structure. You are obeying the laws of nature, but you are still in this humble position to accept that there are certain rules that you cannot forego, that you cannot avoid. So I think both of these cards point to the necessity of accepting that there's some kind of power greater than you. And this hierarchical structure that you are inevitably a part of, it can take on many forms. It can be a man-made system within which the laws or the rules, the regulations are arbitrary, and you have to obey them because otherwise you become excluded from that system. Or it could come in the form of this more natural, more organic organizing principle that is nevertheless producing some constraints on what you can do and what you cannot do. But at the same time, it gives you the gift of this flow state where you can become one with the process and enjoy your human ability to adapt, your natural talent for flexibility of action and thought. So I feel like we need another card for guidance here, because this is I feel like this is showing two versions of humility that you can experience. But what is the guidance here? So let's pick another card to find out. Okay, so we have the Five of Swords. All right. Okay, so the plot thickens. This is getting a little uneasy and complicated beyond what these two were revealing. So the officer can be an agent of aggression, without a doubt. He can be instructed to kill. He can be instructed to do all kinds of nasty things. And the Two of Pentacles, similarly, can come to a conclusion of recognizing that in order to efficiently resolve the issue at hand, there needs to be some level of aggression introduced into the picture. And so the Five of Swords is saying that you will come to the realization and you will be confronted with a dilemma where the question is it going to be you or them? So this is a zero-sum game that emerges with the Five of Swords. And most often, it's best to try and avoid such situations, but it seems inevitable now that you are put in a contentious and high tension situation where you have to make a judgment call and ask yourself, who am I going to protect? Is it going to be me or other people? And it is possible that this Five of Swords energy means different things for these two different scenarios. So with the officer, this would indicate the resistance, the rejection of orders, the lack of compliance with what you're being asked to do or instructed to do. So the Five of Swords in this context is rebellious energy within a strictly hierarchical system. In the Two of Pentacles system, Five of Swords means that sometimes, in order to have balance, you have to give way to some sly and perhaps less decent strategies. Essentially, unless you choose a path of discord, others could ruin you. Now, I really don't like this message, but this is what's coming through, is that in order to have a true equilibrium, a true balance, a system that works truly in accordance with the rules, quote unquote, of this cosmic dance that we're all a part of. Every now and then you have to make controversial decisions that can hurt other people, their pride, their interests. So obviously I'm not advocating any type of violence, really, but your own moral code, your sense of what is right and what is wrong is challenged by the Five of Swords here. And it's asking you to think a little more permissively and a little more creatively in these scenarios, because it is the key to your survival. It's the key to your fitness in this situation, to recognize when you're being played and to exit the situation in a way that benefits you instead of being overly concerned with other people's interests. So this is just a prioritization of your interests over other people's. And people who are prone to feeling guilt and having a kind of a black and white way of looking at morality can be very conflicted about this. But sometimes we need to make decisions like that. So I hope that you found this reading helpful or interesting. Let me know in the comments what you think. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you would like to support my channel financially, I advise you to have a look at my website and see what kind of readings I offer. And if you're interested, you can order a personalized reading from me, tailored to your question and to your personal problems. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.